we are going to talk about this BD88B blender. All right, so as you can see, we have our safety lid, okay? We have our main hopper. This is a 2.2 liter hopper, okay? Now, this also, before we get going here, this also has a plunger that we can use, okay? Very carefully, of course, but it has a plunger that, if you notice, stops before it gets to the blades, okay? So as long as you're careful, you shouldn't hit the blades. Okay? All right, so let's put this back in, turn this, okay? Let's talk about this BD888B blender. First, we have a very simple manual variable speed setting from low all the way to high. Then we have our pulse switch, which is just a simple on-off, 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 like this. And then we have a regular toggle on-off switch. Okay. Now our power is down here, of course. Okay, and we'll get to that in just a minute. So we are going to make a dragon fruit smoothie. Are you ready? All right, let's do it. Let's do it. So what do we need first for a smoothie? Some ice. Let's do it. A little bit of ice. There you go. Okay, a little more. One more, maybe. Yeah, one more just for fun. No, I mean one more scoop. There you go. Yeah. Now we need a little bit of dragon fruit. And I think you can put in maybe about, 4 or 5, maybe 6 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think that's enough. Yeah, I think that's enough. Okay? All right, fantastic. Now we need a little bit of water to smooth it out a little bit, because it is a smoothie, right? All right. That should do it. Very good. Okay? Let's see. Maybe just, yeah, I think that'll work. Okay? So now, what else is really, really important here? Exactly. We need to put the lid on. Smart girl. That's right. Because without a lid, where does it go? It goes everywhere. Exactly. Okay. So let's put this in. And what do we put this down for? For safety. Exactly. Very, very good. Okay. Quite simple. All right. So we have our speed. We want a low setting for smoothies. Be sure. Okay. And first, we're going to turn on our power. Can you turn on the power for us? Right here. The little round one. Excellent. Very good. Okay. We should be on. Okay. All right. So are you ready? Come on over and pull this switch down and okay. Okay. Scary, huh? All right. Let's make our smoothie. It's looking pretty good. I think you can turn it off. Very good. Or if we want to pulse it, we can also do that like this. Like this. All right. Fantastic. Let's see what we have. All right. Let's see what we have. Okay, let's check out our smoothie. Oh, nice, huh? Very, very nice. Dragon fruit smoothie from the BD888B.